Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set Opera as your default browser. This is actually quite simple. First I go to the search in Windows and enter default. This suggests the default apps and I click on them. In the default apps I go down until I reach the web browser. Currently Google Chrome is set as my default browser. If I click on Google Chrome, I can search for Opera in this list. And as soon as I select Opera, it is already set as my default browser. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.